Today, I'm going to show you how to stop that pesky sign-in pop-up from appearing in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you're tired of constantly being asked to sign in when working with your PDFs, then this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know a simple way to disable the pop-up and enjoy a smoother, less interrupted workflow in Acrobat Pro. Alright, let's jump straight in. The trick here is to disable Adobe's online services, which are often what trigger those sign-in requests. Let's start by opening up Adobe Acrobat Pro. Make sure it's the same program you use for your PDFs, not just the free reader. Once it's loaded up, you should be on the home screen. If you have a document open already, that's completely fine. The steps will work either way. Next, you're going to want to get into the Preferences menu. Look up to the very top left corner of your screen for the Edit option. If you're on Windows, it should be right in the menu bar. Click on Edit, and a drop-down menu will appear. Near the bottom of that drop-down, you'll see Preferences. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up a new window where you'll find a bunch of settings that control how Acrobat behaves. Now, this Preferences window can look a bit overwhelming if you're new to it because there are lots of categories on the left side. Scroll down that list until you find the section labeled Adobe Online Services. Sometimes it's toward the bottom, so don't worry if you have to look around for a second to find it. Once you click on Adobe Online Services, you'll see a few options on the right side of the window. You're looking for a checkbox that says Sync Preferences Across Devices. This setting is what connects Acrobat to Adobe's cloud services and keeps your preferences the same across different computers. Handy if you log in on multiple devices, but if you're a solo user or just trying to avoid sign-in pop-ups, you can safely turn it off. To do that, just click on the checkbox next to Sync Preferences Across Devices to remove the checkmark. This tells Acrobat you don't want it to connect to Adobe servers just for preferences, which is often what requires you to sign in. Once you've unchecked that box, all that's left is to confirm your change. Click the OK button down at the bottom of the Preferences window. This will save your settings and close the window. Sometimes Acrobat takes a moment to apply the change, so don't worry if you need to wait a few seconds or even restart the program to make sure it's fully updated. And that's it. You've now disabled one of the main features that triggers the sign-in pop-up in Acrobat Pro. The next time you launch the program, you should notice that you're no longer being interrupted to sign in for cloud features. If you ever want to re-enable syncing across devices, you can just follow these same steps and check the box again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped make your PDF editing experience just a little smoother. If you found this tutorial useful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more easy-to-follow guides just like this one. And if you have any questions, or if the sign-in pop-ups persist after these changes, drop a comment down below, and I'll do my best to help you out. See you next time.